What's up, you guys? I'm Ariel, and as you guys can see, Adrian is not with me. So today I'm gonna be doing the honk at me prank on Adrian. So today we're supposed to be running errands, and this is supposed to be our first time vlogging, but little does he know that's not what it's gonna be. So he's actually here. He's getting out of his truck right now. Where's he? Hey guys, I'm Ariel.
And I'm Adrian.
Today we are supposed to be vlogging for you guys. It's our first time vlogging, so we'll see how this goes. So, the first thing we're going to be doing is apartment touring. Woo woo! We didn't tell y'all guys the exciting news yet, but there you go.
So, I don't know if we're going to be able to take y'all with us to the actual apartment tour.
Alright, you guys, so I actually redecorated my car a little bit. Let me show y'all. So I put a picture of me and Baby right there. If it'll focus. There we go. I put a picture of us right there. And then one right there and one right there. And then I got my scrunchie right here, my perfume, my hair clip, my license obviously. And then in here I put some snacks because we be hungry on the go. A flashlight, a cube for just in case I want to take my charger. And that's pretty much it. And then I got my essentials in here, but nobody needs to see all that. You know? So, this is such a fail. That's what it is, you guys. Such a fail. Boo.
Look, a Jaguar.
You're no Jaguar. Alright, you guys, so that was a success. Let me turn on here. That was a success for us. Now we're going to either Target or Walmart, one of the two. Or Home Goods. I don't know. We're going to be going to different places today to go check out the furniture. And yeah. So we will let you know whenever we get there. But I think at first we're gonna get food because I'm getting a little grumpy. So
Kind of hungry.
yeah. And when I'm grumpy, there's no shopping. It's just yelling. Alright, you guys. This is a fail. This is a huge fail. Nobody is participating. I knew this shouldn't have been the first idea. But I was trying to do a prank on you.
What do you mean?
I was trying to do a prank and nobody wants to participate. And there's not even any freaking traffic.
What do you mean?
Ah!
What do you mean I'll see? Tell me.
You'll see in a little bit.
So you're gonna do it right now?
It's been going on this whole time. And nobody's participating. So, gave it up, you guys. I'm sorry. That was literally just the biggest fail in the world. But Team Ariel, we're gonna come back stronger, even though it was a giant fail. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him, okay?
What'd you do?
So hungry. Just get out and go look. And take the camera. Go take it off. This is fail.
You're childish.
Wow. Everybody look. That was such a fail. Nobody wanted to participate. I was like, there's nobody behind us with all this traffic. I was so frustrated. It was just so lame. This is just so lame. Alright, so give me credit. I tried, Team Ariel, but we're gonna come back and that was the lamest prank I've ever done on him. I'm never doing a lame prank again. I was trying to start it off easy, but obviously that didn't work.
I was wondering why. I don't even remember you like putting it back there. Like I didn't see it in your hand. Did you have it in your hand?
Why do you think I pushed the trunk?
You had put it in your trunk before?
Yes.
Is that why your door was open?
What?
Yeah, your passenger door was open when I pulled up.
But I freaking suck, you guys. I had to give it up. I had to. Honk at me if I'm a loser. That's what I should have put.
Oh, I was fixing up. She would have got mad.
So, fail, fail, fail. Team Ariel, we suck right now.
All the time.
Isn't that right, Zach?
Can I go home? Can I help you?
Alright, you guys, so we're actually in Home Goods right now, shopping for furniture. We just wanted to let you guys know where we're at.
What we're doing.
Look at this, y'all. It says stay charged. Babe, show them. So, oh, shit. So you plug this in the wall. And it has this, so that way you can, obviously, so your phones can charge or whatever. When you're embarrassed, so you leave.
You didn't think it was like that?
Adrian.
Hey, look, there's like for grandpa and grandma.
Dude, I'm this extra to put one of these in our house.
And then get in it.
Oh, heck no. Our colors are supposed to be like a black, more modern color scheme, so.
Are we gonna put random paintings? Like
yeah. That's what I was about to say. But I like this.
Like this one. Oh no.
I really
this caught my eye too. I was
I
like,
think this is 129 because this is
that's 50. Guys, look.
Nice, but there's not too.
It's just stained. I wonder if they have like a.
But we need like a big house.
Okay, I can't get out.
What are you doing? You don't get in that. That's just to go outside.
That's not.
You know what I can't, like, I can't not have?
Food?
No. I cannot not have a shower curtain. Like, I have to shower with a shower curtain. I can't.
Well, do you have to shower?
Like, this is more, yeah. This is like more of what we're going for.
You're like,
Let me see. Look at the little things that entertain him. Clean your doo-doo.
you're the one that's.
Here, let me see. I gotta clean it right now. Just kidding. This is so cute. This would be so cute on the couch, babe. I really want to put like a bunch of pillows on the couch. See how he never listens to anything I have to say?
Wanna grab my knobs.
Look at this. Y'all, fall and Halloween is my favorite season. Life hack when you're bleeding.
Ariel, no. Here, hold it. I gotta punch it up. I'm just kidding.
So guess who just lost my keys?
We found them.
We found him. Whatever. Ooh, me chanclas.
You could disinfect them if you want.
Negative.
Positive.
This boy is really trying to give me these chanclas. No! Definitely a success. We got an idea of what we want to get. Adrian learned that he needs to pay attention on where he puts the keys. And yeah, so we're gonna actually vlog some more tomorrow. We actually have somewhere to be, so we can't shop anymore or we can't look around. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hey,
it's the next day.
We're gonna continue apartment shopping. Not really shopping, we're just looking around to see what kind of things we would want in our apartment. So yeah. And this is gonna be the first time, if y'all watched our first video, I mentioned my little brother Ricky. And this is him, Ricky. Hi. But we're at Starbucks right now.
What did I get this time?
Starting the day off. I think probably good. So now we're headed to the Target.
Well, open your eyes, fool. I'm sorry.
So I get a strawberry acai with lemonade. I'm a basic, and he gets, I don't know what he gets. Tell him what you get, babe.
I don't even know the name.
Yum. It's a venti iced It's a venti iced caramel macchiato with extra caramel drizzle.
I cannot talk today. It's probably that coffee bread you got.
Who's drinking coffee?
I haven't even took a sip, so I don't even know why you're...
Probably because you didn't brush your teeth this morning.
Probably because you didn't wipe your butt this morning.
Oh, I wiped it real good.
You're weird. Can you be any louder?
Yeah, I can. Oh, it is. Oh.
Dude, my hands are so shaky. I don't know, because I'm so cold. I don't know how people do this. Like, I feel like I'm like... Oh. Adrian, you're not even looking.
Just as you look. I got you. You listen to you.
I was gonna yell your name. Go ahead, ow.
But actually, it sounded like it hurt.
It did.
I'm just gonna show you walking out. It's just
And we want you guys to screenshot your favorite clip from this week's video and send it to us on Snapchat. Our Snapchat will be right here. And if you guys haven't already, go check out last week's video and stay till the end of each one of our videos because we put bloopers at the end. So
we're gonna end off this clip right here, but first
we wanted to apologize to you guys because we didn't get to tell you guys the exciting news at the beginning of the video that we're moving out. So there will be plenty more videos like this one, and just stay tuned for our upcoming videos. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ignore our dogs. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye. This is gonna be...
It's bright.
Look how big. This happened last time. Okay, right here.
Okay.